Let's amplify that podcast reach by merging its brilliance with both YouTube and Buzzsprout. This video guide will show you step-by-step how to skyrocket your podcast's exposure using the strengths of Buzzsprout and YouTube by repurposing audio. First up, transform those audio episodes into captivating video content. Consider adding those awesome visualizers and adding in any additional information that will grab attention. YouTube thrives on video, this is crucial, and hashtag X20. Next, it's time for that promotion. Create YouTube videos announcing your new episodes, integrating your podcast logo, and links. Link it on the Buzzsprout podcast and social media pages. Cross-promotion is key. Link your Buzzsprout podcast in YouTube descriptions and end screens, and your YouTube channel at the end of your podcast to grow audience interaction between platforms. Unleash the power of cross-platform promotion to find the win-win. By adopting both strategies, you increase your audience. This is about working better, not harder.